Hi friends, today we will see how to find two numbers in an array that add up to a target value. So here I will create an array and I will create a target as a 5 and I have created a function called find add up target value. It has two parameters array and target. Let target value equal to 0. I have created a variable here. I will create for loop. So I will create a inner loop for j. So here I will create the target value equal to array of I and array of j. Those two array items will be stored in the target value. So I need to check the condition. If target value is equal to target, then I need to return an array. Like in that array, I need to pass array of I and array of j. I need to return an empty array because if there is no match, then the function will be returning an empty array. Here we will check the output and we will get output as a 1 comma 4. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe.